welcome to the Buzz, Indiana's underground business voice. I've got Mark McDonald in the studio. Drove all the way from Evansville. You're the you win the Golden Steering Wheel Award. Did you know that?
Well, I didn't drive from Evansville.
You didn't drive from Evansville?
No, very nice of you to offer that to me. I drove from the west side, though.
Oh, okay. Well,
you know,
that's not as good a story, Mark. You should have ran with it.
Yeah, but I couldn't lie.
Okay. Now, you're with Action Pest Control, and we know, I mean, I think I know what Action Pest Control is. I mean, it sounds pretty obvious. I mean, is it that obvious?
It is, but you know, you got to know that there's companies that run their businesses a little bit differently, you know, some than others.
Yeah.
You know? So,
and what makes you different is in pest control? What makes Action different?
Well, you know, we have thousands of customers, but there's not one customer that we service exactly the same as another customer.
Really?
Every treatment that we do is customized for its individual structure and wants and needs. Okay. So that's what makes us different.
So can it really be that different from pest problem to pest problem? I mean, come on, Mark. Is it really that different?
Well, it is, because it's not about the pest problem always. It's about what you want. Okay. You know, at your house, at your business, and at your industry.
You mean somebody really cares if you're wearing footies when you're walking around the house, and some people don't?
Not just footies, but there's people that really are environmentally conscious. They want to know what's going to be done, and we're going to customize that around whether you have children, whether you're a business that has special needs, whether you're an industry that has a zero tolerance in your industry.
So really, your business application and your commercial application have all kinds of different variables. So there's a lot more thinking that needs to go into this than I may have originally thought when we started this interview.
Exactly, and you know that there's people that have a perception of a guy with a little metal spray can, and we don't even own metal spray cans anymore. So we're a little technologically on the edge, maybe more than what those guys with the spray cans are.
Now, what are the type of people, Mark, that you're looking to network with? I mean, you know, it's fine and dandy to find somebody at a networking event that had a pest problem. They call you, boom, it's done and over. But what we try to train people at Rainmakers is look for that annuity stream of business. Look for the ongoing, right? And look, and who provides you an ongoing stream of leads? What kind of profile business owners are you looking for to network with?
You know, it's nice that you asked that, because we have already hooked up with some really valuable partners that do the same thing we do, which is, you know, they're in the residential world, they're in the commercial world, they're in the industrial world. They do, you know, and the kind of people that we're looking for are the people that do what we do, which is, you know, deliver a really timely service. They do what they say they're going to do. Sure. They do it more. They deliver more than what they say they're going to deliver.
More value than they're saying. And I think what you're mentioning too, Mark, is that they're delivering it to the same target market that you do in a similar marketing method, so they understand your game and they understand the value of that back and forth referral. Is that fair?
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
So what do those businesses look like? Give me an example of one that you're working together with right now.
Right now we're working with a mold remediation company. And we are forming a partnership as well with a real estate company. Sure. We're working with a plumbing and HVAC company. Yeah. You know, awesome. and all together we're putting our links on each other's websites. So we're all kind of hooking up, and it's really
building a power circle.
Building a power circle.
Awesome. It's really good to see you guys execute the Rainmaker model. What is the one thing that makes Action different from all the other pest control companies out there?
Well, you know, I think I started to say it, but really, we're a kind of a company that built our business on reputation, on a reputation of doing what we say we're going to do, when we say we're going to do it, and doing it with a smile. Okay.
And I mean, I can attest for the smile thing. I know you're always fun to run into at a Rainmaker event, and I think you guys have really engendered yourself into the culture, into Rainmaker culture, quickly and well, which speaks to the way you're building your relationships. And if you guys are taking care of your customers anywhere close to the way you're building your relationships, I can speak personally that you're going to grow and you're going to see great success. So how do they get a hold of you? How does all the Rainmakers out there get a hold of you? Website, telephone?
Mostly at meetings. You know, I mean, that's how I hook up with them. They follow up with my website.
Okay, well, your website is?
www.actionpest.com.
It's that simple?
It's that simple.
Mark McDonald, you've been Buzz. Appreciate you.
Thanks.